Halo Kak, permisi boleh nanya nggak ya Kak?
Oh, boleh.
Oke, permisi ya Kak. Hello, my name is Odi, and maybe before I ask you, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Gevina Arsati. You can call me Gevina, and I'm from N3A.
Okay, first question is, why did you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
So I choose Brawijaya University because it is one of universities in Indonesia that have a strong reputation and consistent in quality academic. And also, I believe that Brawijaya University provide a strong academic atmosphere and offer many opportunities for students to grow.
Okay, and why did you choose the Faculty of Vocational Studies?
So I choose vocational studies because it's more like oriented, practice oriented. So we in vocational we often like langsung turun ke lapangan daripada di teorinya, dan saya lebih suka langsung ke prakteknya daripada di teori.
Okay, maybe better the skill.
Yes, it's more useful.
Okay, why did you choose the administration business?
So I choose business administration because it offers many job career. And in business administration, we also learn about management. We also learn about organizational, and also we learn about how to create advertising strategies. And I think it's very useful to today's industry that banyak yang perusahaan tuh membutuhkan itu di dunia sekarang.
Okay, have you already decided where you want to intern? And yes, why did you choose the class?
I think I have one company that I really want to join, which is it's Paragon. Why? Because it is one of the biggest company in Indonesia, and from I heard, many people say that Paragon is really have a healthy environment for the workers.
And the last question is what your plans for the future after graduate? Do you plan to continue to bachelor degree or go straight into the workshop?
I think after I graduating, I want to achieve a bachelor degree in University of Indonesia, if that possible. And yeah, I think I want to continue my study first, and mungkin selagi itu bisa nyari pekerjaan yang tepat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, can I have a moment of your time?
Yeah, sure, I can.
Okay, my name is Milda, and I'd like to do a short interview about your university's choose, faculty choose, program study, and future plans. Before we start, could you introduce yourself first?
Okay, so first, my name is Vina Desrensari. You can call me Vina. And then I'm from vocational faculty. And then, I'm a student in Brawijaya.
Why did you choose your University of Brawijaya?
Okay, so why did I choose? Because this university is my dream campus. And then, Brawijaya is top 10 kampus di Indonesia ya.
Okay. Why did you choose the Faculty Vocational Studies?
Okay, because that the faculty of vocational is the learning system. It's more practical, and then just like that.
Why did you choose Business Administration Prodi?
Because since I was in high school, I'm interested to business administration. I want to do kayak kerja di startup, perusahaan-perusahaan besar gitu.
Have you already decided where you want to intern? And if yes, why did you choose that place?
Belum tahu lagi sih ke depannya, tapi interest to intern.
Your place maybe?
I think anywhere, mau di Malang, mau di asal saya dari Jakarta.
What are your plans for the future after graduation? Maybe do you plan to continue on to a bachelor's degree or go straight into the workforce?
Nanti kalau semisalnya magang, setelah magang ternyata kodarullahnya kayak ditarik, kayak maksudnya jadi karyawan tetapnya gitu, mungkin ambil kayak tetap lanjut kuliah S1 itu kayak di universitas yang emang bisa secara online.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Aura.
I have question for you, and first question is, why did you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
Okay, the reason why I chose study in here because sebenarnya ini tuh bukan dream university, tapi karena my parents so strict, jadinya gak apa-apa deh di Malang aja. Akhirnya aku milih Universitas Brawijaya ini buat tempat aku kuliah gitu.
Okay. Why did you choose the Faculty of Vocational Studies?
Nah, kalau yang ini tuh sebenarnya ini aku juga nggak ada, I don't have plan buat kesini. Cuman ya udahlah, emang udah takdirnya di sini, nggak apa-apa.
Okay. Why did you choose the Business Administration program?
Because aku udah interest tentang bisnis, udah interest dari lama tentang bisnis, di mana I want to study about marketing or PR or personal branding or manajemen pemasaran atau yang lainnya gitu.
Okay. Have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why did you choose that class?
Oh, yes, tentu aja of course. Aku udah mulai itu sih menata-nata di mana nanti aku bakal magang, dan aku juga udah mulai prepare dari sekarang buat ngumpulin sertifikasi kayak BNSP dan lain-lainnya juga. Kalau tujuan aku sebenarnya impian aku pengen magang di intern di Astra Company, yaitu di lebih ke private company sih kayak Astra atau PwC atau Paragon gitu. Karena lebih cocok aja lebih prefer ke private company gitu.
Okay, the last question is, what are your plans for the future after graduation? Do you plan to
Wow.
continue onto a bachelor degree or go straight into the workforce?
Plan habis wisuda ya. Mungkin after graduation aku bakal cari kerja dulu, kumpulin uang yang banyak dulu karena kan jujur honestly biaya ekstensi itu kan lumayan mahal gitu. Alhasil aku bakal kerja dulu, terus nantinya bakal tapi tetap ada kemauan untuk lanjut ke S1 gitu.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, sama-sama.
gitu loh.
Hi, excuse me. Can I have 2 moments of your time?
Of course, yes.
Okay, my name is Milda, and I'd like to do a short interview about your university choice, faculty choice, program study choice, and future plans. Before we start, could you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello, my name is Abikosil Aksan. I'm from Pontianak, West Borneo.
Okay. Why did you choose University Brawijaya?
Because University of Brawijaya is my dream campus. And terus ya, UB juga salah satu kampus yang top 10.
Why did you choose your faculty vocational?
Because in vocational, we lebih banyak practitioner compared to academic.
Why did you choose at business administration program?
Maybe karena administrasi bisnis itu selinier ya sama jurusan SMA saya. Di administrasi bisnis menurut saya peluang untuk mendapatkan job atau kerjaan itu banyak.
Have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why did you choose the place?
Bang, I want to decide in Pontianak sih, kan orang tua saya tentuin itu di Angkasa Pura. Angkasa Pura itu perusahaan yang bergerak di bidang bandara.
Last question. What are your plans for the future after graduation? Maybe do you plan to continue on to a bachelor degree or go straight into the workforce?
Maybe I want to start to find my work first because aku mau ngebanggain orang tua dulu. Aku ingin punya penghasilan dulu. Mungkin setelah dapat kerja,
Ya.
aku akan melanjutkan program S1 aku.
Oke. Thank you ya Kak Sabi.
Aku boleh minta waktunya sebentar gak ya? Boleh. Jadi di sini aku mau wawancara, kalau tanya-tanya tentang dunia perkuliahan kakak. Emang kakak bersedia? Boleh. Oke. Sebelumnya aku boleh tahu nggak kakaknya dari kelas mana, namanya siapa, jurusannya apa?
Oke, nama saya Okti Rizky Ramadhani dari D3 Administrasi Bisnis kelas N3C.
Oke, jadi pertanyaan yang pertama itu, first of all, what did you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
Maybe I choose UB because UB is well-known campus and the environment is very good. So maybe I think UB is comfortable campus that I dreamed it before.
Oke, thank you for answer. Pertanyaan keduanya itu, what did you choose the Facultas of Vocational Student?
Maybe I choose vocational studies because vocational study is more practical. I think that, and I think the learning is langsung ke skill and practical. So it helps me to apply for real work situation.
Oke. Pertanyaan yang ketiga yaitu, what did you choose the Business Administration Program?
Maybe I chose the administration business program because I'm interested how a business works and it teach management, marketing, and the other concept that I want to learn.
Oke, pertanyaan selanjutnya itu, have you already declined where you want to intern? If you was, what did you choose the place?
Maybe I was planning to intern in BUMN or the other companies for administration, and I think I can learn a lot about administration and operation there.
Okay, the last question, what are you planning for the future after graduation?
Maybe after graduation, I plan to get more experience first, and later maybe I will continue with a bachelor degree, and when the time feels right. So.
Okay, thank you for answer and time.
Thank you.
I'm collecting some quick interview answer for our project. Before we begin, can you tell me a little about yourself?
Oke, mungkin saya akan jawab bahasa Indonesia ya. Perkenalkan, saya Melanie Belajar Ain dari Fakultas Vokasi Administrasi Bisnis.
Oke, aku langsung ke pertanyaan pertama ya kak. Why do you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
It's simple things because this university is my dream and Brawijaya University also one of the best university in Indonesia.
Why do you choose the Faculty of Vocational Study?
Yeah, because vocational study is focused on practical training that is important to enter a professional work.
Yang ketiga, why do you choose the Business Administration program?
Because I interest in business work and there is a strong possibility that I will pursue a career in business.
Yang pertanyaan 4 ini kan kita nanti tahun depan bakalan magang nih kak. Nah pertanyaannya yaitu have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why do you choose the place?
Oke, mungkin pengennya magang di BUMN kayak di BRI atau di mana gitu karena kepikirannya lagi di situ aja sih. Mungkin kalau berubah bisa jadi.
Okay, the last question yaitu what are your plans for the future after graduation? Do you plan to pension of bachelor degree or S1 sarjana 1 or go to straight into the workplace?
Oke, mungkin setelah saya lulus nanti bakalan mencoba untuk membuat usaha tapi juga mungkin dibarengi sama bachelor degree gitu sih.
Halo kak, boleh minta waktunya sebentar gak ya?
Ya boleh.
Aku boleh ya tanya-tanya sesuatu tentang perkuliahan kakak?
Boleh.
Oke, sebelumnya aku mau terima kasih for agreeing to participate. How are you today? I hope everything is going well for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I hope so.
Yes. This interview is part of my final project for the business correspondence course. Ini bentar aja kok. Jadi pertanyaan itu ada 5. Mau langsung aja?
Oke, langsung aja kak.
Sebelumnya boleh perkenalan dulu namanya siapa, dari kelas mana?
Nama saya Lalita Rumru dari kelas N3A.
Oke, bisa kita mulai aja ya pertanyaan pertama. Okay, so first question is how do you feel Universitas Brawijaya?
I think because of since my senior high school, I want to kuliah di Universitas Brawijaya, so I decide to choose Universitas Brawijaya in my first choice waktu SNBT.
Okay, thank you. Second questionnya, what do you call the Fakultas of Vocational Student?
Awalnya itu I think because of vocational studies is more practical than theoretical ya, so I choose to enter this world.
Okay. Third questionnya itu what do you call the business administration program?
Because I'm interested in business and I think belajar bisnis tuh menyenangkan gitu, so I memutuskan untuk memilih bisnis administrasi ini jadi pilihan saya waktu mau masuk kuliah.
Okay, next for the questionnya, have you already declined where you want to intern? If you yes, what do you call the place?
I think I don't have any idea yet because sekarang tuh lagi hektik gitu ya sama tugas kuliah, jadi sebenarnya belum kepikiran. Tapi untuk mau di mananya itu kayaknya di sekitar Malang aja, because I don't want to pindahan kos di mana aja soalnya ribet gitu.
Okay, thank you. And now for the last question, what are you plan for the future after graduation?
I think I want to go get the job and I have my income to myself, I think. And so if I have banyak pendapatan gitu dari sayanya, maksudnya jadi nanti pas waktu mau ngelanjutin pendidikan itu pakai uang saya sendiri gitu, nggak ngerepotin orang tua.
Oke, thank you ya kak.
Oke.
Halo kak, boleh minta sedikit waktunya untuk diwawancari?
Boleh kak?
Oke, wawancaranya tentang perkuliahan, apakah kakaknya bersedia?
Bersedia?
Kakak bisa memperkenalkan diri, namanya siapa, dari kelas apa?
Hello everyone, my name is Marina Zara Sofiana. I'm from N3C.
Okay, the first question is, why did you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
I chose Universitas Brawijaya because it is ranking top 10 in Indonesia, which given me confidence in the quality of its education.
Okay, and then the second question is, why did you choose the Faculty of Vocational Studies?
I chose the Faculty of Vocational Studies because UB vocational program offer strong and promising career opportunities. I believe the practical learning approach will better prepare me for the professional work.
Okay, the third question is, why did you choose the Business Administration program?
I chose the Business Administration program because it offers a strong foundation in the management, marketing, and organize skills that are essential in the today professional.
Okay, and the fourth question is, have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why did you choose that place?
Yes, I have. I plan to intern a state-owned internship, BUMN, because it offers stable work experience, structured training, and professional environment.
Okay, and the last question is, what are you plan for the future after graduation? And do you plan to continue to bachelor degree or go straight into the workforce?
After graduation, I plan to continue my study to be behavioral degree first, especially if I have not yet been expect be my dream company.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Boleh minta waktunya sebentar?
Boleh.
Aku ini ada tugas project nih, nanti suruh wawancara. Hanya 5 pertanyaan kok, Kak? Boleh?
Ya, boleh banget.
Okay, before we begin, can you tell me a little about yourself?
Hello, my name is Dewi Nawati and I study at Vocational Faculty of Brawijaya University.
Okay, kalian langsung boleh ke pertanyaan pertama ya, Kak? Yang pertama itu, why do you choose the Universitas Brawijaya?
Because Brawijaya University is a comfortable, beautiful campus based on inclusivity. Brawijaya University is also ranked among the top 9 best campus in Indonesia. That's why I'm interested in choosing Brawijaya University.
Oke, jawabannya bagus banget ya, Kak. Langsung yang kedua, langsung pertanyaan kedua ya, Kak. Yaitu, why do you choose the Faculty of Vocational Study?
Because I think the vocational faculty focus on practical activities. Nah, itulah mengapa saya tertarik untuk mengaplikasikan teori-teori yang saya pelajari selama di Fakultas Vokasi untuk saya terapkan di dunia bisnis secara nyata.
Oke, bagus banget ya, Kak, pertanyaannya jawabannya. Ketiga yaitu, why do you choose the Business Administration Study program?
I have goal in the business world. I think that since my parents start a business in their lives, I have the same duty to explore business with the knowledge I have gained in this major.
Okay, the next question yaitu, have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why do you choose the place?
Yes, of course. I have a talk about it. I aspire to intern at Paragon because I have heard reviews that it's about intern at Paragon is comfortable and the work system is good.
Okay, the last question yaitu, what are your plans for the future after graduation? Do you plan to continue on to a bachelor degree or sarjana 1 or go straight into the workplace?
I think continuing on to bachelor's degree is a good idea, but I want to gain work experience at large company. So I choose to work first and then continue on to bachelor's degree.
Ini wawancaranya tentang perkuliahan. Aku ada 5 pertanyaan buat kakaknya. Bersedia? Okay. The first question is, why did you choose Universitas Brawijaya?
I chose UB because it's a well-known university with a good learning environment. I feel like Universitas Brawijaya can help me grow and develop well.
Okay. The second question is, why did you choose the Faculty of Vocational Studies?
Because the learning is more practical, I understand things better when I can try them directly. So vocational studies fit me.
Okay, and then the third question is, why did you choose the Business Administration program?
I'm interested in business, especially marketing and branding. I'm also running a small F&B business. So this program match what I'm working on.
Okay, and then the fourth question is, have you already decided where you want to intern? If yes, why did you choose that place?
Yes, I want to intern in an F&B company, especially in the marketing area. I want to learn how they handle the brand and customers.
Okay, and then the last question is, what are you plan for the future after graduation? Do you plan to continue to a bachelor degree or go straight into the workforce?
I plan to keep improving my skills and growing my business. I open to continue to a bachelor degree or working right away, depending on the opportunity.
Okay, alright, thanks Al for the interview. Thanks a lot for your time and your answer. Thank you.
Thank you.